It happened again this morning, didn't it? You slept through the night, hoping your body would feel refreshed. But the moment you opened your eyes and tried to get out of bed, your legs felt stiff, heavy, and painfully weak. It took several minutes just to stand up. When your feet touched the floor, it felt as though your bones had turned to stone overnight. Even taking that first step seemed like a struggle, as if you had to drag your legs with every movement. Walking to the kitchen suddenly felt like a long and exhausting journey. If this sounds like your everyday life, then stay with me because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you look at leg pain and aging. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we regularly share trusted health information that can help you live a healthier and more comfortable life. Now, let me make one thing absolutely clear. This kind of pain is not a normal part of aging. It isn't something you should simply accept because you're getting older. More importantly, it isn't just pain. It's your body sending you a warning that something deeper has been happening inside for years, even if you haven't noticed it. Unfortunately, many people respond the same way. They reach for painkillers, one tablet in the morning, another at night. It becomes part of their daily routine. But here's the truth. Painkillers do not cure the problem. They simply block the pain signals traveling to your brain. While the discomfort may temporarily disappear, the underlying damage continues to grow. Day after day, the real cause remains untreated. Over time, that damage can become so severe that even stronger medications or injections no longer provide relief. What's even more concerning is that frequent use of painkillers may gradually affect your kidneys, liver, and the lining of your stomach. In other words, the medicine you depend on for relief today could contribute to serious health problems in the future. But what if I told you there is a simple, natural solution that doesn't require expensive supplements or prescription medications? In fact, it may already be sitting in your own kitchen. When used correctly and at the right time, especially first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, it may help improve the strength of your legs, reduce knee discomfort, and make walking easier within just 30 days. This isn't based on myths or old folk tales. Scientific studies and nutritional research have shown that certain natural foods contain nutrients that support stronger bones, healthier muscles, and better joint function. However, before discussing that natural remedy, it's important to understand why leg pain, weakness, and heaviness become so common after the age of 60, because unless you understand the root cause, no treatment can provide lasting relief. As we grow older, three important systems inside the body gradually begin to weaken. Together, these changes slowly reduce the strength and stability of your legs. The first reason is bone loss. Many people believe that bones are solid and unchanging, but that isn't true. Bones are actually living tissues with tiny microscopic spaces inside them, almost like the structure of a sponge. When your body receives enough calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients, those spaces remain filled, allowing your bones to stay dense and strong. As the years pass, however, the body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. Those tiny spaces begin to enlarge, causing bones to lose their density from the inside. Even though they may appear normal on the outside, they become increasingly fragile internally. That's why a simple fall, a minor slip, or even a small bump can sometimes lead to a serious fracture in older adults. The second major cause is muscle loss. After the age of 60, muscle mass naturally begins to decline. This process happens gradually, often without people realizing it. As muscles become weaker, they can no longer support the joints effectively. Instead of your muscles absorbing movement and impact, much of your body weight is transferred directly onto your knees, ankles, and hips. As a result, these joints experience more stress every day. Eventually, that constant pressure begins to wear them down. Pain develops, stiffness increases, walking becomes more difficult. This is why many older adults say they can no longer stand for long periods or feel as though their legs simply don't have the strength to support them. Now let's talk about the third, and perhaps the most dangerous factor. This is something known as chronic inflammation. Unlike an injury that causes swelling or redness, chronic inflammation often develops silently inside the body. You can't see it, and in many cases, you can't even feel it until significant damage has already occurred. Deep within your joints, this hidden inflammation slowly attacks cartilage, connective tissues, and even bone. Think of it like rust forming on metal. The damage happens little by little until the structure begins to weaken. But what causes chronic inflammation to become worse? One of the biggest contributors is an unhealthy diet. Highly processed foods, sugary snacks, refined carbohydrates, deep-fried foods, processed meats, packaged biscuits, sugary soft drinks, and other unhealthy foods can all increase inflammation throughout the body. Over time, this ongoing inflammation places additional stress on your joints and accelerates the natural aging process. Now consider what's really happening. You're not dealing with just one problem. Your bones are becoming weaker, your muscles are losing strength, and chronic inflammation is quietly damaging your joints from within. These three issues work together, making every step more painful than the last. That's why simply taking calcium tablets or relying on painkillers rarely provides complete relief. Your body needs something that supports all three areas at the same time, something that helps strengthen your bones, nourish your muscles, and reduce chronic inflammation naturally. And fortunately, nature provides exactly that. It isn't an expensive medication or a miracle supplement. It's a simple, natural food that many people already have in their kitchen. That food is Makhana, also known as fox nuts or lotus seeds. Many people think of Makhana as nothing more than a light snack, but very few realize that these small seeds are packed with nutrients that can support bone health, muscle function, and joint health all at once. Now, you might be wondering, how can something as simple as Makhana really help with leg and knee pain? That's a fair question. Most people think of Makhana as nothing more than a light, crunchy snack. They enjoy it occasionally without realizing that these tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that support some of the most important systems in the body. In reality, Makhana is far more than just a snack. It's a nutrient-rich food that works on your bones, muscles, and joints at the same time. Let's begin with your bones. One of the key nutrients found in Makhana is calcium, which plays a vital role in maintaining strong, healthy bones. As we age, calcium levels naturally begin to decline. When the body doesn't receive enough calcium, bone density decreases, making bones weaker and more fragile. Regularly including calcium-rich foods like Makhana in your diet can help support healthy bone density and reduce the risk of age-related bone weakness. But calcium isn't the only important nutrient it contains. Makhana also provides phosphorus, another essential mineral that works together with calcium to strengthen the internal structure of your bones. These two minerals complement each other, helping bones remain stronger from the inside out. However, the benefits of Makhana don't stop there. It also contains a healthy amount of magnesium, a mineral that is often overlooked but is incredibly important for muscle health. Magnesium helps muscles relax properly and supports healthy nerve function. Many people over the age of 60 experience painful leg cramps during the night, calf tightness, muscle spasms, or sudden muscle contractions. In many cases, one contributing factor is inadequate magnesium intake. By supplying the body with magnesium, Makhana helps muscles function more efficiently. As your muscles become more relaxed and flexible, they place less stress on your joints. Over time, this may help reduce nighttime cramps, muscle tightness, and discomfort in the legs. Now let's talk about another important benefit that many people don't know about. Makhana also contains plant-based protein. Protein is essential because your body constantly repairs and rebuilds tissues. As cartilage begins to wear down with age and ligaments become weaker, your body needs protein to help maintain and repair these important structures. Although Makhana isn't as high in protein as some other foods, it still contributes valuable protein that supports tissue maintenance and overall joint health as part of a balanced diet. In addition to calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and protein, Makhana is also rich in antioxidants. These natural compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Excessive free radicals contribute to chronic inflammation, which gradually damages joints over time. The antioxidants found in Makhana help the body fight oxidative stress, supporting healthier joints and helping reduce the effects of long-term inflammation. Another major advantage is that Makhana has a low glycemic index. This means it releases energy slowly instead of causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Because of this, many people with diabetes can enjoy Makhana as part of a healthy diet. However, if you have diabetes or another medical condition, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider about your individual dietary needs. When you look at everything together, it becomes clear why Makhana has earned such a strong reputation as a healthy food. One simple ingredient provides nutrients that help support stronger bones, healthier muscles, and reduced inflammation, all at the same time. That's why many nutrition experts consider it one of the most beneficial natural snacks for older adults. But knowing what to eat is only half the story. The next question is even more important. How should you eat Makhana to get the greatest benefit? Many people simply grab a handful and eat it as a snack during the day. While that's certainly healthy, there are better ways to consume it if your goal is to support bone health, improve muscle function, and care for your joints. The method of preparation can make a noticeable difference, so let me share 3 simple ways to include Makhana in your daily routine. You can choose the method that best suits your age, health condition, and nutritional needs. Method 1. This is the easiest option and is ideal for people experiencing mild discomfort, occasional stiffness, or those who simply want to support healthy aging. Take 15 to 20 pieces of Makhana and soak them overnight in a glass of clean drinking water. The next morning, chew them slowly and thoroughly on an empty stomach. Don't throw away the soaking water. Drink it as well because some of the water-soluble nutrients released overnight may remain in the water. This simple morning habit is gentle on the digestive system and provides your body with valuable nutrients at the beginning of the day. Method 2. This method is especially suitable for individuals over the age of 55, people with weaker bones, or those who need additional calcium support. Take 1 glass of warm milk. Add 15 to 20 pieces of Makhana and allow them to soak overnight. Then add 4 strands of saffron. If you do not have diabetes and your healthcare provider has no restrictions, you may also add 1 teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness. The following morning, chew the softened Makhana thoroughly and drink the milk. Milk provides additional calcium and high-quality protein, while saffron contains natural plant compounds that may help support overall health. Together, these ingredients create a nutritious breakfast that supports healthy bones and muscles. However, if you're lactose intolerant or have dietary restrictions, you can choose another calcium-rich alternative recommended by your healthcare provider. Now let's move on to the third method, which is the most nutritious of all. The third method is designed for people whose joint pain has become more severe, especially those over the age of 60 or 65 who experience significant stiffness, difficulty walking, or noticeable weakness in their legs. For this recipe, you will need 15 pieces of Makhana, foxnuts or lotus seeds, almonds, walnut halves, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Soak the almonds and walnuts overnight in clean water. The next morning, peel the almonds. Lightly dry roast the flax seeds in a pan for 1 or 2 minutes. Avoid burning them, as excessive heat can reduce their nutritional value. Warm 1 glass of milk and add the soaked Makhana. Blend or crush the soaked almonds and walnuts into a smooth paste and mix them into the milk. Next, grind the roasted flax seeds and stir them into the mixture. Your nutrient-rich joint support breakfast is now ready. You may be wondering why this combination is so effective. Let's look at each ingredient. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect body tissues from oxidative stress and support overall joint health. Walnuts are one of the best natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats are well known for supporting a healthy inflammatory response throughout the body, which may help reduce joint discomfort associated with chronic inflammation. Flax seeds are another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, along with fiber and plant compounds called lignans. Together, these nutrients support heart health, help reduce inflammation, and contribute to overall well-being. You already know the many benefits of Makhana. It provides calcium to support strong bones. It supplies magnesium to help muscles function properly. It contains phosphorus to strengthen bone structure. It offers plant-based protein to help maintain body tissues. And it provides antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. When all of these ingredients are combined, they create far more than an ordinary breakfast. Together, they provide a balanced combination of nutrients that support healthy bones, muscles, and joints. Although no single food can cure joint disease or reverse aging, eating nutrient-rich foods consistently can play an important role in maintaining mobility and supporting long-term health. Now let's talk about the best time to consume this mixture. Timing is more important than many people realize. The ideal time is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. When your stomach is empty, digestion begins quickly, allowing your body to absorb nutrients efficiently before your first meal of the day. If mornings are not convenient for you, don't worry. You can also enjoy it in the evening or before bedtime. The important thing is to make it part of your daily routine. Consistency matters much more than the exact time. Now let's discuss something equally important. How long should you continue eating it? Many people try a healthy food for just 3 or 4 days and then decide it isn't working. Natural nutrition doesn't work that way. Your bones, muscles, and joints didn't become weak overnight. The changes develop slowly over many years. Likewise, improving your nutritional status also takes time. For the best results, try to include this nutritious meal in your routine for at least 30 consecutive days. Avoid skipping days whenever possible. The body responds best when it receives a consistent supply of important nutrients. However, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. This is not a miracle cure. You won't eat it tonight and wake up tomorrow completely free of pain. That's not how the human body works. Natural foods provide nutritional support. They help supply your body with the building blocks it needs to maintain healthy tissues and support normal repair processes. These improvements happen gradually. Week after week, your body continues using those nutrients to support healthy bones, muscles, connective tissues, and joints. That is why patience is so important. Don't become discouraged if you don't notice dramatic changes after just a few days. Stay consistent. Keep nourishing your body. Over time, many people begin to notice that walking feels easier, stiffness becomes less noticeable, muscles feel stronger, and everyday activities become more comfortable. Remember, healthy aging isn't about finding instant solutions. It's about building daily habits that support your body for years to come. Think of this as an investment in your future mobility. Every healthy choice you make today contributes to a stronger body tomorrow. Whether it's choosing nutritious foods, staying physically active, getting enough sleep, or maintaining a healthy weight, these small habits add up over time. Nature often works slowly, but when combined with a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, and regular physical activity, the results can be both meaningful and long-lasting. Now, I want to give you a simple challenge. Starting tonight, take just 15 to 20 pieces of makhana and soak them overnight. Tomorrow morning, eat them on an empty stomach, using whichever method best suits your needs. Then continue this routine every single day for the next 30 days. Don't skip days, and don't stop halfway through because you don't notice immediate results. Instead, pay close attention to how your body begins to change over time. After 30 days, ask yourself a few simple questions. Is it easier to get out of bed in the morning? Has the stiffness in your legs become less noticeable? Do your knees feel more comfortable when climbing stairs? Have your nighttime leg cramps become less frequent? Do your legs feel stronger and more stable while walking? Can you stand for longer periods without feeling exhausted? These are the small improvements that many people begin to notice when they consistently support their bodies with proper nutrition and healthy daily habits. Remember, the goal isn't perfection overnight. The goal is steady improvement. Unfortunately, countless people spend years living with unnecessary discomfort. Every morning begins with stiffness. Every staircase feels like a challenge. Every walk becomes shorter than the last. Instead of addressing the root causes, many rely only on painkillers that provide temporary relief while the underlying problems continue to progress. But sometimes the simplest solutions are the ones we overlook. Small nutritional changes, when practiced consistently, can make a meaningful difference over time. That's why I encourage you not to keep this information to yourself. If you have parents, grandparents, relatives, neighbors, or friends who struggle with knee pain, leg weakness, or difficulty walking, share this information with them. Someone you care about may be searching for a simple way to better support their health. Your decision to share this knowledge could encourage someone to adopt healthier habits that improve their quality of life. Always remember this. Your body usually gives you warning signs long before a serious problem develops. Morning stiffness, occasional knee pain, muscle weakness, difficulty standing for long periods, reduced balance. These are signals that deserve attention. Unfortunately, many people ignore these signs until the pain becomes severe enough to interfere with everyday life. Don't wait for that moment. Take care of your body while you still have the opportunity to protect it. Healthy aging doesn't happen by accident. It happens through daily choices, the foods you eat, the amount of water you drink, your level of physical activity, the quality of your sleep, your ability to manage stress. Each of these habits contributes to the health of your bones, muscles, joints, and overall well-being. Even small improvements repeated consistently can produce significant long-term benefits. If your goal is to remain active, independent, and confident as you grow older, then begin paying closer attention to what your body truly needs. Choose foods that nourish your bones. Eat enough protein to support your muscles. Include anti-inflammatory foods in your daily diet. Stay physically active whenever possible. Simple activities like walking, gentle stretching, or light strength exercises can help maintain mobility and flexibility. Combined with proper nutrition, these habits create a strong foundation for healthy aging. Natural foods are not miracle cures. However, when they become part of a balanced lifestyle, they provide the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Unlike quick fixes that only mask symptoms, healthy habits support your body from within. Over time, this internal support helps you stay stronger, more mobile, and better prepared for the challenges that naturally come with age. Most importantly, don't neglect yourself. As leg pain increases and joint stiffness worsens, everyday tasks become more difficult. Walking becomes slower, standing becomes harder, confidence begins to fade. Many older adults gradually stop participating in activities they once enjoyed simply because moving around becomes uncomfortable. But maintaining your mobility means maintaining your independence. Taking care of your body today can help you continue enjoying life tomorrow. Every healthy decision you make is an investment in your future. So start today. Support your body with nutritious foods. Stay active, be patient, and give your body the care and attention it deserves. One of the greatest gifts you can give yourself is the ability to move freely and confidently as you grow older. Good health isn't built overnight. It's the result of the small choices you make every single day. Every nutritious meal, every healthy habit, every step you take, and every effort you make to care for your body contributes to a stronger and healthier future. Never underestimate the power of consistency. Simple lifestyle changes may seem small today, but over weeks, months, and years, they can have a remarkable impact on your overall health and quality of life. If you've been struggling with leg pain, stiff knees, muscle weakness, or difficulty walking, don't lose hope. While aging is a natural part of life, losing your mobility doesn't have to be. There are many ways to support your body naturally through proper nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate rest, and healthy daily habits. Remember, your bones, muscles, and joints work together every single day to keep you moving. They deserve the care and nourishment they need. Make healthy eating a priority. Choose foods rich in calcium, magnesium, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. Include wholesome, natural foods in your daily meals, drink plenty of water, and stay physically active whenever possible. Even gentle activities such as walking, stretching, or light strength exercises can help improve flexibility, support muscle strength, and maintain better balance. At the same time, try to reduce foods that may contribute to chronic inflammation, including highly processed foods, sugary snacks, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of refined carbohydrates. Replacing these with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and other nutrient-rich foods can make a meaningful difference over time. Most importantly, listen to your body. Pain is not always something to ignore. Persistent pain, increasing weakness, or difficulty walking may be signs that deserve medical attention. If your symptoms continue, become severe, or interfere with your daily activities, don't hesitate to speak with a qualified healthcare professional. Early evaluation and proper treatment can often prevent more serious problems later. Natural foods like makhana, foxnuts, or lotus seeds can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet, but they are not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. The best results come from combining good nutrition with healthy lifestyle habits and appropriate medical care when needed. Now it's your turn. If you decide to try adding makhana to your daily routine, commit to it for the next 30 days. Stay consistent, pay attention to how your body feels, and notice any gradual improvements in your comfort, flexibility, and mobility. Everyone's body is different, so your results may not be exactly the same as someone else's. The important thing is to focus on building habits that support your long-term health. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it. Your support helps this information reach more people who may be dealing with the same challenges every day. Share this video with your parents, grandparents, relatives, friends, or anyone who struggles with knee pain, leg weakness, or joint stiffness. A simple share could encourage someone to take the first step toward healthier habits and a better quality of life. And if you enjoy practical, evidence-informed health tips presented in an easy-to-understand way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos. We'll continue bringing you valuable information on healthy aging, nutrition, mobility, joint care, and simple lifestyle strategies that can help you stay active, independent, and confident for years to come. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Take good care of yourself. Stay active, stay positive, stay healthy. And always remember, your health is one of the most valuable investments you will ever make. Every healthy choice you make today is a step toward a stronger, happier, and more independent tomorrow. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and keep putting your health first.